Hey there, back again with the Real Leader channel. We're diving deep into figuring out what makes your current and future work so good. In this short segment, we're chatting about a super important part of figuring that out, spotting our limitations and getting better at them. As leaders, knowing when to recognize and fix your flaws is key for making our teams better and pushing us towards that perfect place of excellence. To create an efficient and effective team, it's crucial to consistently identify and address any limitations or barriers present. By actively discovering areas that require improvement, team members can be equipped with the necessary techniques and opportunities for progress. Being aware of and understanding the flaws within the team can significantly assist leaders in generating customized solutions that are in line with fostering a culture of continuous enhancement. Essentially, giving a boost to challenges serves as a catalyst for growth, pushing the team deeper into the lead role. Moreover, a proactive approach towards identifying and addressing these challenges can significantly enhance the overall performance of the team, thereby creating a thriving environment for everyone involved. Recognizing limitations for improvement is a fundamental aspect of fostering growth within a team. By acknowledging areas of lackness and proactively addressing them, team members can be equipped with the necessary techniques and opportunities for progress. Through comprehensive assessments, leaders gain insights into areas where team members may need support. By identifying these limitations early on, targeted training and development initiatives can be tailored to address them, empowering team members to overcome challenges and excel. Tailored training programs provide team members with the specific skills and knowledge needed to overcome their limitations. By offering targeted training initiatives, leaders equip their teams with the tools necessary to thrive in their roles and contribute to overall success. Mentorship and coaching provide team members with personalized guidance and support in areas where improvement is needed. By pairing individuals with mentors or coaches, leaders foster a culture of continuous learning and development, empowering team members to reach their full potential. Regular feedback and performance reviews offer team members valuable insights into areas for improvement. By providing constructive criticism and encouragement, leaders empower their teams to take ownership of their development and strive for continuous improvement. Promoting a growth mindset fosters a culture of learning and development within the team. By encouraging individuals to embrace challenges and view setbacks as opportunities for growth, leaders instill resilience and determination, driving continuous improvement and success. Samsung, a leading technology company founded in South Korea, exemplifies a proactive and innovative approach when it comes to continuous improvement within their teams. They understand that staying a step ahead in a rapidly evolving industry requires commitment, ongoing development, and enhancement in every aspect. Prioritizing continuous improvement, Samsung places a hefty value on continuous development and growth. They emphasize that in a dynamic environment, they must be proactive in order to stay ahead. To achieve this, they invest heavily in targeted training and development programs to address any limitations and gaps within their teams. These programs are specifically designed to equip employees with the relevant skills and knowledge required to excel in their roles and successfully overcome any challenges that may arise. Investing in employee growth, Samsung's continuous investment in their employees' growth and development ultimately results in better performance and productivity levels for the organization. By providing ample opportunities for advancement and skill development, Samsung ensures that their skilled teams remain well equipped to tackle any obstacles that may inevitably arise in the increasingly competitive world of technology. Fostering a culture of growth, by prioritizing employee growth, Samsung cultivates a resilient and adaptable culture within their organization. Employees feel empowered and encouraged to take on new challenges, thereby fostering a positive attitude toward change and innovation. This promotes greater flexibility and fosters creativity from within the organization, ultimately leading to constant improvement in their performance. Audio, Samsung, based in South Korea, is dedicated to prioritizing continuous improvement by providing targeted training and development opportunities for their teams. They invest in their employees' growth and development, fostering a resilient and adaptable culture within their organization to ensure they stay ahead of the competition in the rapidly evolving world of technology. as we conclude part 2 of understanding your current and future dynamics. Remember the importance of recognizing limitations for improvement within your team. By acknowledging areas for growth and development, we pave the way for continuous progress and excellence. Stay tuned for part 3, where we delve deeper into understanding each person's role. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Real Leader channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this journey of leadership growth and empowerment. Together, let's continue to elevate and inspire.